am going to be doing a get ready with me video, and I'll show you the inspo pic right now. And I'm just going to be showing you the products that I like to use for my type of face, because as you can see, I have pores and texture, but that's okay. Before I start doing my eyebrows, I always like to prime, because I use like 3 setting primers, I guess you could say. The first one I use is the Jelly Pop by e.l.f. I feel like it really helps your makeup to really stick on and grip it. So let me put this on. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. To carve out my eyebrows, I just use like the foundation I use. Well, in this case, it's a CC cream. So I'm just going to be using it to carve my eyebrows a little bit, well, kind of a lot, but that's fine. Then I use this Lexi 215 small angle brush. It's dirty, girl. Sorry, I didn't clean my brushes. I can't do it like that, I swear. I finished my eyebrows, and now I'm just going to set them with this dark brown, I think it's called the brow gel, dip brow gel. Prime my eyelids, I'm going to be trying out this Putty Eye Primer by e.l.f. in cream. So I put on the Putty Primer. I mean, I don't know if I don't like how it looks by itself, maybe with eyeshadow, so let's do that. So I'm gonna be using my James Charles palette just because, excuse it, it's kind of dirty. And I don't even use it that much. It has a lot of colors, and the look I'm going to be doing today, I need a lot of brown and yellow. I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. Anyways, so I'm going to be starting off with this color right here and just like put it right here. Above the crease, kind of in the crease type. I'm looking into my mirror I have right here. So if you see me looking a lot this way, because my mirror's right here. Now I'm going to be using my Morphe M330 brush. I'm going to be going in, I think, we like this brown over here. See, my phone fell right there. This brown. Oh, this brown. Okay. Okay, update on the primer. Yeah, I kind of didn't like it. I don't know if you can see right here, like the stripes. I ain't feeling that, but good thing I'm not going nowhere. So I cut my crease off camera because I'm not that good, and yeah. But I use this Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas to cut my crease. And now what I'm gonna be doing is going in with a yellow. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild brush that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be using this yellow right here to put where I cut my crease. Ooh, okay, it's coming together. Trust the process. So así es como quedó. So I changed up the look because I wanted to try doing like an eyeliner type on top with this, but when I was doing it, I realized that it's dried out. So I had to go over it with glitter. My son. I went over it with this e.l.f. I think it's an eye topper, with this Morphe M443 pointed liner brush. That's what I used to like wing it out. And I know you kind of see the line that I did. I didn't like it, so I tried to take it off. But we'll see. This process. Blushing and Bali by BH Cosmetics. It's a blush and highlighter palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Sun Kiss. And I did wet my brush, since in the picture it looked like her highlighter is intense, so I did do that. Okay, Okay, so my eyes are all done, and now I'm going to be using my other primer that I like to use. Is the Poreless Putty Primer. Concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Hydrating Camel Concealer in Light Sand. Under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder to set my under eye. To set my whole face, to set my whole face, I'm going to be using the Derma Blend Intense Powder. And then I use my Sonia Kashuk brush. To bronze, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer. I'm in the shade Bronzer. Is Real Techniques brush. And I usually just go in with this lighter shade just because I don't really like too pink. I feel like it's too much for me. Using the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. Which is the same brush I used for my face. Before I forget, I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.